Welcome to the Introduction to Robotics tutorial. Robots are machines that are capable of performing actions automatically. To perform these actions, they perceive stimuli, strategize how to react to that stimuli, and execute an action in response to the stimuli. Robotics is a study, design, construction, and use of robots. This involves designing their physical structures, such as cameras and wheels, and programming the automation, like designating the right joystick on a controller to move a robot forward. Robots have different parts that are essential to their performance, such as sensors, actuators, and their power supply. Sensors are how robots perceive the world around them. Physical sensors measure physical properties, like understanding the difference between solids, liquids, and gases. Environmental sensors detect changes in sound, gas, moisture, and more. Motion sensors track orientation, acceleration, rotation, position, etc. Proximity sensors detect the presence or absence of nearby objects. Optical sensors utilize light to monitor distance, colors, or motions, acting as the robot's visions. Fluid sensors can be used to measure the properties of liquids and gases. Sensors can be calibrated to ensure accuracy and reliability of the data that the robot is intaking. Actuators act as the response to the information received from the sensors by converting energy into physical motion. Some common actuators include rotational actuators that roll or turn wheels or joints, linear actuators that control movements in straight lines using things like pistons, walking actuators that facilitate locomotion, flying actuators that enable aerial movement through the flapping of wings or propellers, autonomous navigation actuators that allow robots to move independently and make decisions based on sensor inputs, and articulated actuators that provide multiple degrees of freedom to execute complex movements. The robot's power supply influences its performance and functionality. This power can come from the battery, external, or alternative sources. A battery is a portable and self-contained energy source that stores electrical energy chemically. External power supplies draw power from an outside source, such as a power outlet. Alternative power is non-traditional or renewable energy drawn from things like solar panels. Robotics is a huge field with a wide variety of real-world applications. Some different types of robots include humanoids, cobots, microbots, and software robots, for example. These robots can be used from anything from defense, aerospace, agricultural, or even more.